There are four basic forces of nature: strong nuclear force, electromagnetic force, weak nuclear force, and gravitational force. This strong nuclear force is effective only within subnuclear distances and therefore confines the neutrons and protons within the nucleus. It is a short range fundamental force and it is the strongest fundamental force. The electric and magnetic forces were unified to get an electromagnetic force by Faraday and Maxwell, who were able to prove that a current is induced in a coil whenever the magnetic flux passing through the coil is changed. 100 years after the unification of electric and magnetic forces into electromagnetic force, in 1979, the Physics Nobel Prize was conferred on Glasgow, Weinberg, and Abdus Salam for the unification of electromagnetic and weak forces. The electromagnetic force is long range and causes all chemical reaction. It binds together atoms, molecules, crystal, trees, buildings, and us. This force acting on a microscopic level is responsible for a variety of apparently different macroscopic forces such as friction, cohesion, and adhesion. The weak nuclear force is a short range, like strong nuclear force, and it is responsible for spontaneous breaking up of radioactive elements. It is sort of repulsive force of very short range of 10 raised to minus 17 meter. It is usually masked by the effect of strong and electromagnetic force inside the nuclei. The gravitational force, like the electromagnetic force, is again long range, extended up to and beyond the remotest stars and galaxies. It keeps us, the atmosphere and the seas, fixed to the surface of planet. It gives rises the ocean tides and keeps the planet moving in their orbits around the sun.